Hi everyone, it's Gina. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Webhook inside GoHighLevel. If you've ever wondered how to send data from GoHighLevel to another app automatically, this is the fastest and simplest way to understand it. So first, what exactly is a webhook? A webhook is a GoHighLevel's way of pushing information to another system in real time. Think of it like a messenger. When something happens, like a form submission, Go High Level takes the contact data and send it to a specific URL where another tool is waiting to receive it. You don't have to refresh anything or manually export the lead. The information gets sent instantly. So for this example, I'll create a very simple workflow that triggers whenever someone submits form. Then inside the workflow, we'll add one action, a webhook, and this will send the information data to a test URL so we can see exactly what Go High Level sends. So here I will be using a webhook site, webhook.site, and this is what we will be getting. So by the way, this is a free tool. It gives us a unique URL that receives data. So I'll copy the link and keep the page open, and then we'll come back here later to check the results. All right, and then inside the Go High Level, I also created a simple form with the first and last name, the phone, and the email address. This will be our demo form for the trigger. Now let's create the workflow. I'll go to automations and then create a new workflow from scratch, and then I will name it Webhook Demo Form Submission. So for the trigger, I'm using form submitted, and then we'll put here the form that I just created, and then I label this as um, webhook demo form, and then save. Next, I'll add action and choose the webhook. So here, search for webhook. There you go. And then in the URL field, I'll paste the link from the Webhook.site. So that would be from here. Copy to clipboard and then paste it here. The method stays as post instead of get. And then after that, I'm not adding any custom data or headers because Go High Level already sends all the standard contact information automatically. Then I'll click save and turn the workflow on. All right. So now let's test it. I'll open the form preview here and fill it out as a test lead and then click submit. All right. There you go. As soon as I submitted the form, Webhook site received a request instantly on, let me go. Okay, there you go. As you can see, these are the data that we got. Um, so on the left, you can see the new request that came in. And on the right, this is the full JSON data that Go High Level set. So it includes everything, the contact ID, the name, email, and phone number, country, time zone, and even the lead source and the custom fields. So this is exactly how Go High Level communicates with external tools. So if you want to send data to Go High Level Sheets, Slack, Zapier, Make.com, or your own backend system, this is the foundation. The webhook pushes the data out automatically. And that's the basic way to use webhook inside Go High Level. If you